What's going on, guys? Today we got a quick little install, nothing too crazy. Over the weekend I happened to went on eBay and purchased a test plate. It's an Autobahn 88, got it on eBay. It was like 50 or 60 bucks. From what I saw, it fit pretty well, not too bad of a material, so let's see how this goes. I already got the car jacked up, and pretty much we just have to undo the temp sensor. These front bolts are, I believe, a 14 mil, and these back ones are a 17. I'm not even sure if I really need to do this or not, judging by how the car is or was when I purchased it. The cat's probably already gutted and whatnot, so yeah, I probably don't need to do this, but just in case, I want to do this anyways, just for like peace of mind, and then be one step closer to getting the car tuned. Alright, so it's not a bad looking kit. Pipe looks pretty nice, welds don't look too bad. Comes with an O2 bung, which maybe it might come in handy once I get tuned. Also comes with new gaskets and hardware. It's not bad looking. Not bad for 60 bucks. Okay, so surprisingly enough, this wasn't hollowed out. As you can see, there's the honeycomb. Of course, the one day I actually recorded, my neighbor is doing yard work, of course. Anyways, we have everything installed. Only complaint is that stupid bung is in a pretty crappy placement where you can't get that bolt in without taking the bung plug out. That sounds really funny. Anyways, hopefully I want to give this a start. Hopefully there's no leaks. I think we have success. Now I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with the temp sensor plug. Most people usually just cut it. I'm going to see if maybe I can just unplug it and then pull it out from underneath the car or up from the car. In other news, look at that sunset. The sky looks pretty dope. Okay, so normally that plug or that cable is usually attached to underneath the carpet, but I guess this was out at one time. So I'm just gonna unplug the temp sensor and see if I can pull it up. Okay, so I took the sensor out and it's unplugged. I put the rubber grommet back in here. Surprisingly, there is no cat light. I was expecting to see a cat light come on. Nothing. It's pretty dope. I wasn't sure if I was going to need to ground out the wires or not. Alright guys, that does it for this video. It's not exactly the most exciting of videos or installs, but yeah, maybe you guys might have learned something. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.